Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This question we have given here. Okay, this is October 2021. Variant is 32, and question number 9. So let's start. First of all, we have to differentiate and get this answer. So what is method to do it? So you can see students here. So they are multiplying. Here they also multiplying. So product formula. So first of all, y copy into second derivative plus e to power 2x copy into y derivative. I repeat, y copy, okay, and this derivative will come here. And what is this derivative? First, you keep as it is into 2. This 2 come from where? From power differentiation. Now, this copy into y derivative. And what is the y derivative? dy over dx. Here, chance of mistake, this minus can disturb you. So, best idea, put this kind of big bracket and outside equals to 0. Why 0? Because constant derivative 0. In the bracket, I'm doing the same story. So y square copy. So second function differentiation. Now opposite. E to x copy into y square derivative in the bracket. I believe easy. So what about this derivative? First you keep as it is into power derivative. X derivative is 1. Now what is y square derivative? Basically, what is the criteria? If y to power 4 comes, what is derivative of y to power 4? So 4 comes down, power become 1 less into the derivative of the base. And what is y? So dy over dx. So must write. Sometimes students miss this dy dx. So same story of y square. So y, this 2 will come down, power become 1 into base, and that is the base is dy. So dy over dx. Now student, I'm continuing this 2 I'm writing before. So 2y, I'm simplifying. Here e to power 2x into dy over dx. This negative will affect the bracket values. I get this, and negative into positive, I get negative 2 e to power x y dy over dx. My ultimate plan to make a dy common out, there are two dy dx, you see students. So best idea is what? Take common out. Okay, so when I take common out, from this and from this, I will take common out. So what happens, students? Dy over dx is common out. What left from here? E to power 2x common. And what left from here? Negative 2 e to power xy. And these two values without derivative will go on the right hand side. So y square e to power x I am writing before, and this value I'm writing later. Okay, I think up till here clear. Now this will go and divide. So I think I can continue. But important part here, what? Keep your eye what target. So y square coming later and 2y coming before. It means that this y square I need later. So and this 2y I need before. So can I take? It means I am bound to take x common. And hold on, not only this, I have to take because y square alone. You can see alone. So this I don't need here. I take a negative e to power x common from here. When I take common, students, so this gone out, and here minus y square left. Logic, when I take a negative common, so this plus value becomes negative sign, and this negative sign becomes positive sign. And this 2y left, and out of e to power 2x, if 1x gone, so this e to power single x left behind. And to check, is this matching? Yes, matching. Is this matching? Perfectly matching. So I believe you all will understanding. And when this term will come under it, I will do same process from here. I will take a negative e to the power x common from this bracket. So let's see what happened further. When I taken common, so this from out of e to the power 2x, when I taken out, so first of all plus now become minus sign, and out of 2x single x gone, e to the power x left behind. This minus will go on out, become plus, and 2, and e to the power x gone out, so nothing left, so y left. And this is a fully cancel out. It means, and you can see that is a totally matching, just rearranging. So I am writing now, ultimately I got my answer match. Just reorder. So I'm writing this before and writing negative y square later. Same way here, this 2y I'm writing before and minus e to power x later. So proved. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, first part is done. So let's go for part number 2. Find exact coordinate of the point of curve where tangent is parallel to y-axis. I want to tell a simple rule. Rule is what? When any line parallel to x-axis, it has a zero gradient or derivative equals to 0. But when line parallel to y-axis, it has a 1 by 0, or you can say infinity is a gradient, or I can say dy over dx equal to 1 over 0. So what I will do, students, so here I will plug in 1 by 0. So let's just take the whole expression, and I'm pasting here. Okay, and now I'm solving. So I'm putting here 1 by 0. Now what to do onward is a very clear, what like cross multiply. Simple cross multiply. So this will multiply with a 1 and this multiply with a 0. So I get 2 by minus e to power x equal to 0. So, before I start, I will, this is an actual question. This is a very important for us. So I will copy. I need is on the next page. So I need it here. Okay. This will help us to solve. Okay. So first of all, check it how to get a help from there. So I have to find out the coordinates. So first of all, I think this 2y, or I can say make a y subject from here. So I got a y is this e to power x will go right side. So e to power x divided by 2. This value I can plug in here and plug in here. Reason I have to remove either y or x one by one. So I think this is my actual question. So I will plug in this value here and here. So I'm saying equation number 1. So put in 1. So when I put this value here, students, I get e to power x by 2 times to this. So when I plug in this value here, but power 2 on the top to square the whole thing, it means it will look like this. And the top, this value will stay there. Okay, so I'm writing here, put in 1. Okay, so now e to power x and 2x, if the powers add, same basis. I got 3x over 2. And what is this? So power multiply 2x and single x become e to power 3x. Square of 2 give you 4. So afterwards, take LCM, and LCM is a 4. I get 2 e to power 3x, and here e to power, as it is logic. This 4 same, so this copy paste. This 4 is not matching, into 2 up, into 2 down like this. So this is turned to be this, and now this cross multiply. Here I get what, students? Here I get e to power 3xy. Out of 2ex, when I subtract, like a 2x minus x will give you single x, same here. So I believe this point is very clear. And 4 to the 8. How to bring x down? Only one choice. Take log of both sides. ln left side, ln right side. I what is 8? 8 is 2 to power 3. And this power will come down due to log property. All of you familiar? So I got 3x ln e. And ln e, all of you know, it's a 1. So 3 will come down due to log property. So ln is 1. I got 3x equals to 3 ln 2. And 3 cancel out. I got ln 2. Wait a minute, let me recheck. Yeah, and ln is 1. Some students can ask me, sir, where ln is gone? ln is actually 1. So don't forget this criteria. So x value, I got it. I'm looking for y value. This value I plug in there. So let's find. And what is y? Y is equal to e to power x by 2. And when I plug in this value here, students, I'll get a y value. So e ln 2 by 2. And before I start, I just tell you e to power ln k. So or you can just take a number. Please, this, if you type in calculator, this e ln will cancel, I get 7. And one more idea, ln e to power 7, in this option, this will cancel out, I get 7. So this is a mean this will cancel out. So this will cancel, I get 2 from here. And ultimately, I get what here? I get here 2 by 2, and ultimately y become 1. So answer become ln 2, comma 1. This is my final answer, and I hope so. The point is very, very